Okay, so we've all been there, right? You open up Telegram and it's just stuck on that super frustrating connecting screen. Ugh. Well, in this quick explainer, we are going to fix that. Let's get you back online.
You know exactly what I'm talking about. You open the app, you're ready to dive into your chats, and nope, just that endless connecting text staring back at you. It's a super common problem, so if this is you, you are absolutely in the right place. We're going to sort this out.
Believe it or not, the fix is actually pretty simple. It all comes down to one little thing, a proxy. Now, I know what you're thinking. Proxies sound super technical, right? Don't worry about it. It is way easier to use than it sounds. Think of it as your secret key to unlock Telegram. So what even is a proxy, anyway? Well, the easiest way to picture it is like a secret tunnel. Imagine the main road to Telegram is, totally blocked. A proxy basically builds you a private, secret road to get there instead. It becomes your personal, unblocked gateway to the app. Okay, so we're going to walk through two really simple methods to get you connected. First up, there's a super fast way that just uses a link. Then there's a manual setup for a more direct, stable connection. Let's dive in and see which one works best for you.
All right, let's kick things off with solution number one, the link method. This one is all about speed and simplicity. I mean, if you want to get back into your chats in like under a minute, this is definitely where you want to start.
Okay, so this method is incredibly easy. Down in the description, there's a special link. Just tap on that. It's going to open up a whole list of proxies right inside Telegram itself. Now, all you have to do is tap on them one by one. If the first one doesn't work, no big deal. Just try the next one. You're basically just trying different keys in a lock until one of them clicks.
Seriously, don't overthink this part. It's just a simple process of elimination. You only need one of them to work. The second you see that status flip from connecting to connected, bam, you're in. You're all set. All right, on to solution number two, the manual setup. So maybe the link method didn't work for you. Or hey, maybe you just prefer doing things yourself. If that's the case, this one's for you. This method can actually give you a really direct and stable connection.
Okay, let's walk through the app together. First, you're going to go into your Telegram settings. From there, tap on Data and Storage. Now, you'll have to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see Proxy Settings. Tap that and then hit Add Proxy to get started. Now, this next part is super important, so pay close attention. You're going to see a few different types of proxies. You have to make sure you select MT Proto Proxy. Why? Well, because that's Telegram's own special secure protocol. It's literally designed to work perfectly with the app. Okay, you should now see three empty boxes. It's simple. In the server field, you're going to type proxy.org. For the port field, just enter the number 443, and for the last one, the secret, just pop down to the description of this explainer, copy that long code you see, and paste it right in there. Once you've got all three of those fields filled out, just look for the Done button up at the top and give it a tap. Just wait a second, and you should see a little green shield icon pop up. That's it. That's your signal that it's working. Your connection is live and secure. And there you have it. Just like that, you should be back online. That connecting screen? Yeah, that's history. So let's just do a real quick recap of the two options we just went over. So you've got two awesome ways to tackle this. The link method, that's your quick and dirty solution. Perfect when you just need to get in fast. The manual method, yeah, it's a few more steps, but it can give you a super solid, really reliable connection. It's totally up to you which one you prefer.
And that's the most important thing here. You're not stuck anymore. You're not at the mercy of that annoying connecting loop. You now have two powerful ways to smash right through any connection issues and get to your messages whenever you want.
It feels pretty good to be back online, doesn't it? So I've got a question for you. Now that your connection is restored, what's the very first thing you're going to do? Are you jumping back into a group chat, checking out your favorite channel? Whatever it is, enjoy being back in the loop.